Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm sitting in my Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT and wanted to chat real quick about the setup I have on the exhaust. I went with the Flowmasters 40 series to replace the muffler and then cut out the rezos and went straight pipe to the back. There's really no drone, or it's not noticeable or annoying. I think the system sounds really great. I've had no power loss. I've done the 0 to 60 times and they're pretty much matching up with what I'm used to. But it was a lot cheaper. It was like $450 to get the system installed, as opposed to like the $2,000 for the catback systems that you're seeing online. With this system too, the Flowmaster 40 series, there's really no rasp, which I didn't want. It's just a nice deep growl, and I think it turned out great. So let's get out of the Jeep, walk around, and I'll kind of show you what the setup looks like.